This is Sarah with Mobile Commons. Today I'm going to show you how to create audio recordings for use in your mConnect. Before you even create a new mConnect, you'll want to make sure you have an available voice over IP number and audio recordings. In order to build out these sections, you're going to want to go to phone calls and then navigate to recordings. Now, before you even build out a recording, make sure you have voice over IP numbers in your account. You can refer to our video on voice over IP numbers, our documentation, or email your strategist or Mobile Commons support for more information about this feature. Now, to navigate to recordings, you're going to want to go to the left-hand navigation, click on phone calls, and select recordings. Recordings are what will be played before your caller is routed to their destination. This recording should have things like why the caller is getting routed to that destination, provide them some talking points, and provide them some instructions for calling or what to expect during the mConnect experience. You can also let your callers know that they can press pound at any time to bypass the recording. For more best practices and tips on audio recordings, please see our documentation on recordings. You can also reach out to your mobile strategist to help you build out your mConnect experience, including the audio recording, in a way that's going to work best for your organization. In order to add recordings, once you've read through those best practices and you know what you want to say, you can either upload a recording or you can call to record. Now, depending upon your mConnect experience, obviously your content will be a little bit different. In some cases, your mConnect may simply connect callers to the recording. They may simply connect callers to the recording and then prompt them to leave a voicemail message. Or it may connect them to a destination like their state representative or their senator. We're going to go to Recording Actions and then Upload Recording to show you how to upload an existing file you've already created. Select Upload Recording, then go to our Upload tool and hit Choose File. Now you'll select an audio file. This should be either an MP3 or .wav file. I'm going to select my MP3 here, hit Open, and then hit Upload. This will add my audio file to my Recordings tab. If you would like to call to record your file, we have that option as well. So you're going to go to Recording Actions and then Call to Record. Each individual Mobile Commons account has its own PIN. Once you dial this number, you'll be prompted to create your audio recording. It will play it back to you, and once you're happy with your recording, you'll be able to finish up and then add it to your account. We will know which account to add it to because you will enter a PIN. This PIN is unique to your account, so please make sure you're going into your specific Recordings tab and looking at the call to record phone number and PIN to make sure it's going directly into your account. Once I've added my recordings, I'll be able to connect them to my mConnect. However, if you wanted to do any cleanup, like updating the file name, you can do so by clicking the pen and pencil icon here. You'll be able to rename your file and click Update to change the name. You can also play your recording by selecting the Play button under Actions column. You can download this recording by selecting the Download button on the Actions, or you can delete your recording. If you are no longer in need of this particular recording, you can just hit the Delete button here under Actions to remove it. You can have up to 2 different recordings in one mConnect if you're doing a dual language recording, so one in Spanish and one in English. You can add 2 different recordings here, and you'll be able to connect them both in your mConnect. Please refer to our mConnect video and article in our community documentation for more information about where to add your recordings to mConnect, and other tips and tricks for building out your mConnect recording. If you have any questions about recordings or the best practices for your talking points, please email mc_support@uplandsoftware.com.